Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to repair and flash your iPhone using G-byte. Whether you encounter a system error iOS white screen or you need to restore data after factory reset your device, I will help you solve these problems with two effective methods. Method 1. Use G-byte iOS System Repair Standard Repair. It is suitable for issues like iPhone stuck on Apple logo screen, infinite reboot or after iOS update. First, download and install G-byte iOS System Repair tool on your computer. Once the installation is complete, launch the app and connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. Once the device is recognized, click Trust the device and click Enter Recovery Mode on the home page. This is very convenient as it eliminates the need to enter recovery mode manually. Then, click Start Repair, select Standard Repair, and download the required firmware. Once the download is complete, click Start Repair. G-byte iOS System Repair tool automatically restores your firmware. Once the repair is complete, your phone will restart normally. If the problem persists, you can try Deep Repair, which can resolve deeper system issues. But please note that this method will reset your phone, so choose carefully. Method 2. Use G-byte iOS System Standard Data Recovery. First, head to the Byte website to download the software to your PC or Mac. I'll put the link in the description below so you can get it directly. From the main menu, select Recover from iOS device and tap Start Scan. The software will provide insights into your iPhone's internal storage. You can select the application data you want to restore, and then select Apple ID to log in. This step is safe and read-only and will not affect your use. Once the scan is complete, you'll see all your data sorted by categories, photos, messages, contacts, notes, the whole thing. You can preview every message found for every photo. Use the search bar to find specific ones. Okay, that's all. The above is how to repair iPhone and retrieve data. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.